When winter arrives in Cedar Rapids, having a dependable furnace isn't just about comfort. It's about safety. If your current furnace is struggling to keep up, causing uneven heating, or your energy bills are climbing, it might be time for a new system. At Novak Heating and Cooling, we make furnace installation and replacement simple and stress-free. Our experienced technicians start with a thorough assessment of your home's needs, recommend the right furnace type and size, and provide a clear, upfront estimate. We install all major brands, ensuring you get a reliable, energy-efficient system that fits your budget. With professional installation, you'll enjoy lower utility bills, improved air quality, and consistent warmth throughout your home. Plus, our installations come with strong warranties for peace of mind. Don't wait for a breakdown. Schedule your free quote with Novak Heating and Cooling today at 319-364-4626 and get ready for a worry-free winter in Cedar Rapids. Your comfort is our top priority, every step of the way.